Oh, hi, turtle. Don't shoot the turtle!
Welcome back, Gallant the Hero here, and today we have more airsoft game at Extreme Paintball up in Milstadt, Illinois. This game is a team deathmatch, and I push up the right side towards the hill on their village field. The village is actually down below the hill. This just gives me a good vantage point up top. Now as I push it up, you can see there was a turtle, and I didn't even know it was there. So I take out these two guys here. The first hit there was a gun hit, so it did not count in this field. But my second hit did land. I just got down quickly so I wouldn't get shot.
Hi, turtle.
And I noticed a turtle.
Don't shoot the turtle!
My main goal now is just to get it off the field so it cannot receive any harm. I'll push up here and I see a guy. He's out. I scan over there to see if there's any more players by him, but I do not see any. From here I'll hold the hill a little longer and push down towards the enemy spawn. Now, when we divided up teams at the beginning of the game, I noticed there was a sniper with a partial ghillie, and from what I've seen, he had not been shot out yet. So I slowly make my way up, trying not to make as much noise as possible to try and locate him. Now, just to get some little extra information here, this day was extremely brutal hot. It got up to above 98 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I push up because I'll eventually see some teammates across on the path. Because then I know the area is somewhat moderately clear, but then he gets shot out. I move forward thinking he's behind the log. It turns out he was actually a little bit farther in the bushes. His ghillie, it did really good, but his movement is what got him killed. And that would be game. Now, second game, I push up to the log, the same log that he was near last time, to ensure that our left side doesn't fall. And not much action happens over here. I do take shots, but the uphill, combined with all the brush that's in the way, just doesn't do well. Now, I do notice one of the enemies are heading down the same pathway I took the previous game. I try to take a few shots at him. I don't get him at range, so I'll eventually revert to my pistol to take him out. I took him out. I'll proceed to try and shoot at more enemies on the hill, but they'll get their beat on me and take me out. Okay, I'll take this time right now to say thank you so much for watching. This is Gallant the Hero. Please like and subscribe. Comment if you'd like to, or dislike if you really don't like anything. Tell me what you did and did not like about this video, and I'll see you in the next game, or video, or something or other.
Yeah.